Have you ever wondered how income is determined in a closed economy model? This fascinating process is an integral part of economic theory and sheds light on the intricate interplay of factors that shape our financial realities. The process starts with the extension of a simple two-sector model of an economy. This model, in its most basic form, consists of just households and firms. However, to make this model more reflective of a real-world economy, the government sector is added into the mix. Here, the variables brought into play are government spending on purchase, labelled as G, and income tax, denoted as T. Output, but the economy is a complex entity, and this model needs further refining. So the model extends to include transfer payments, known as TR. Transfer payments play a crucial role in enhancing the spending capacity of households, thereby positively influencing their contribution to the equilibrium level of national income. In the initial stages, it's assumed that a lump sum tax is a constant factor. But let's face it, this assumption is far from the realities of practical economics, so the model evolves and adopts a tax function instead of a lump sum tax. Here, an autonomous constant tax T and a proportional tax rate TY are assumed. Output. The discussion then moves from Model 3 to Model 4, introducing a consumption function and transfer payments. This shift allows for a more in-depth analysis of how consumption is influenced by income and transfer payments within the closed economy. This final model incorporates the consumption function, facilitating a more detailed examination of how consumption responds to changes in disposable income, transfer payments, and other factors. As these elements shift, so too does consumption, savings, and overall economic activity adjusting to reach equilibrium. In summary, the process of income determination in a closed economy model involves refining a simple two-sector model to include government spending and taxation, transfer payments, and a consumption function. These elements interact and adjust to changes, ultimately finding a balance in the equilibrium level of national income. It is a complex, dynamic process that reflects the realities of our economic environment.